Hey you guys, welcome back to All Things Jazzy. Okay, let's go ahead and make these cheeseburger sliders. They are so good. I used some ground turkey. I'm not going to bore y'all with cooking some ground turkey. You got to chop it up. And I added some red onions to go ahead and cook inside of that because my kids don't like them raw. And of course, I seasoned this up real good. You can add whatever seasonings you want. Alright, so now that that is done cooking, I went ahead and I had some cherry tomatoes, so I went ahead and cut those up. Just split them in half, and I'm going to make the burger sauce. So I am using some mayo. I'm going to add in some sweet relish. If you don't have sweet relish, just add a little bit of sugar in. And all of my condiments are almost empty, so I am going to be just using the rest. Y'all gonna see me squeezing. I added some mustard and some ketchup, and I'm just going to go ahead and mix that together until everything is well blended. Just like this. So now I have some Hawaiian rolls. I went ahead and I toasted the bottom. I just added some butter to the pan, flipped it on both sides, and then I toasted them in my little toaster oven. And now I am using some American cheese, and I am just trying to get all the bread fully covered. And now we're going to add our meat to it. I am going to try to use all of the meat, but I have some other Hawaiian rolls that I did not toast. And we're just going to make some small little sliders on the side so that we can make sure we have enough for all four of us. Plus my niece is here, so the five of us. Although she's going to like mess over it anyway, but we still are going to give her some because she would go crazy if she don't have on her plate what we got on ours. Alright, so now that that is fully covered, I am going to go ahead and add these tomatoes just to one side because everyone doesn't like tomatoes on their burgers, which is crazy. But I always have to like not be able to add tomatoes to the whole thing. And then we're just going to add some lettuce. This is some romaine lettuce. I just went ahead and after I cleaned it, I just like tore it up into different pieces. And now we are going to add this sauce, y'all. Sauce is so good. Definitely reminds me of a Big Mac. A Big Mac without the beef and the ground turkey, of course. Alright, so I am trying to use all of this sauce because we like our burgers to have like extra mayo. So why not have extra sauce? Alright, so I went ahead and I put the tops back on these and I popped them back and let them heat up in the toaster oven. And yeah, this is how they turned out. We got these Hawaiian slider burgers or little burger sliders or whatnot. But they definitely did not last and are so delicious. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.